Hi students, I'm so happy you're back today for the final lesson in Cycle 3. Today is a new instructional practice called Count It Out. I think you'll like it. This is Module 1, Cycle 3, Lesson 15.
Materials!
You'll need your thinking cap today. We're going to be working very hard, so I hope you have it ready to go. The first learning target says, I can divide a word into syllables, identify each syllable type, and count how many syllables it contains. Those are the steps we'll be following today in our Count It Out instructional practice. The second learning target states, I can read a multisyllabic word with the vowel teams EE, EA, and Y. Multisyllabic just means it has more than one syllable. You'll do just fine with that.
Transition song.
Can you count the syllables, the syllables, the syllables? Can you count the syllables in each word today?
Word work.
In this activity, we're going to count it out. Let's go ahead. This is the first word we're going to look at. It says family. Go ahead and say it. When we count it out, it means we're going to clap out the syllables in the word. Let's try it with the word family. Family. You can see here how we clapped it. Lee. We have 3 syllables. In each syllable, we can identify the syllable type. You'll notice here, when we focus in on our first syllable, fam, what kind of syllable is that? It's a closed syllable. The M closes in that vowel, making our short A sound. What syllable type is this I syllable? This one's quite tricky. It looks like an open syllable because it's a vowel with nothing closing it in, but it's making a short I sound. That's quite confusing. And our last syllable is an open syllable. It has a long vowel sound at the end of the syllable. In this syllable, Lee, the Y is making our long E sound. Here's our next word. It says season. Go ahead and clap season with me. Season. Let's check. See? Sun. That's exactly how we clapped it. It showed us where to split the syllable. Usually when we count out the syllables, by clapping, it tells us where to split it. So if we look at our first syllable here, we have C. What syllable type is that? You've got it. It's a vowel team. We learned that EA works together to make a long E sound. How about our second syllable, sun? Yes, it's a closed syllable because the N is closing in our vowel. Great work. Here's our third word. It says seashell. Count it out with me. Seashell. How many syllables did it have? 2. We counted 2 times as we said seashell. Let's divide the word based on our claps. See, and then we divide in the middle, and shell, seashell. Our first syllable, see. Tell us the syllable type. You've got it. It's a vowel team again. EA works together to make that long E sound. How about our second syllable, shell? What syllable type is that? Yes, it's closed. That L consonant at the end is closing in the vowel to make a short vowel sound. Let's clap it one more time. Seashell. Great work. Here's our next word. It says pinwheel. Go ahead and clap it. Pinwheel. Great work. We clapped 2 times, which means it has 2 syllables. Let's check to see where we should divide our word into its syllables. We heard pin, wheel. That's exactly what we clapped. Go ahead and say what type of syllable this first part is. Pin. Yes, it's a closed syllable. The N is closing in the vowel to make a short I sound. Pin. Let's check our second syllable. Tell us what syllable type this is. You're right. It's another vowel team. This time, E is working together to make the long E sound. Let's clap it out one more time. Pinwheel. Great work.
Closing reflection.
How did you take responsibility for your learning today? Which syllable type was easy to remember? Which syllable type was a bit tricky? So far we've learned about open, closed, magic E, and vowel teams. Keep up with your word exercises. Keep practicing. You finished out cycle 3. I'm so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself. Keep practicing on your own. I'll see you next time.